Looks like you're thinking ang lalim ng iniisip mo dito. It looks like, alam mo yung happy ka, I'm sensing that sa inyong energy, pero dun sa kung ano yung bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo, nagpapangiti sa'yo, parang medyo may worry ka about that. And that's what we're gonna find out for you guys. See? Look at that. Ito na yung worry na yon. Five of Wands energy, battle of the mind. So, wala naman kayo sa quiz bee. At wala rin kayo sa contest, math contest, science contest, at kung ano-ano pa. Pero, battle of the mind ito. It looks like kung ano yung bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo, yun din yung nagbibigay ng alalahanin or maaaring meron kang wini-worry about that specific situation. Okay, don't worry. We're gonna find out about that. Just bear with me, sweetheart. Okay, let's go ahead. See more. Hmm. Oo nga. Yan, oh. You know, kasi mga babes, no, I heard too risky. It's like saying dangerous ito or parang more likely, no, hindi naman buwis buhay, pero too risky, parang delikado, pero go. Parang ganun yung energy. Yan, no. May sabihin ko sa inyo kung anong nakikita ko dito, but let me just finish first ang ating paglay sa table before we talk more, no, about this. Pero ayaw mo naman na parang wag itong um, pansinin, no? Parang ayaw mo to na isang tabi, no? Ganun yung energy. Ayaw mong baliwalain ito. Hmm, okay. This person could be different from you. Pwedeng may mga visible din kayong differences, no? Pwedeng literal na differences sa inyong culture or baka sa inyong tradition, beliefs, and religion. Possible that you're dealing here with half foreigner, but doesn't have to be. Baka meron lang kayong pagkakaiba at ito ay kita or halata. Possible rin na itong mga differences ay age gap. Possible rin na height differences or even skin color. So, yun yung mga babes. No? So, before we dive deeper into this reading of yours, let me just greet everybody muna. Hi and hello there everyone. Hi sa mga new subscribers. Ako po si Ian. Welcome. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang support. So, yun nga mga babes, wala po tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong i-flip yung roles or pagpalit-palitin yung your roles if you want, since this is general reading. And at the end of the day, always have your free will with you na, of course, pwede mong gamitin anumang oras at saan man. So, nakikita ka dito, no, na meron kayo ditong kausap at medyo matagal-tagal mo na rin siyang kausap dito. Lumalabas siya dito bilang Ace of Cups energy. So, possible na ito ay lumalabas ng in love ka na, napopol ka na, let's just get straight to the point, no? So, this person right here, no, is you're already talking, but it looks like with the Ten of Wands energy, Eight of Wands right here, no, in the World card, there's this high chance that hindi pa kayo nagkikita nitong person na to in person. Hindi pa kayo nagkikita nitong person na to in person, but we're gonna talk more about this person na hindi mo pa nami-meet in person. But you probably continuing na nakikipag-usap dito sa person na to. So, nakikita ko dito yung back and forth messages coming from you. This person here is also replying, responding to you. At nakikita ko dito na itong person na to, no, is actually enjoying nakausap ka dito. No? So, nakita ko dito that you are always, no, may smile, parehas kayo sa inyong faces, no, whenever you talk to each other, no? Kahit hindi sa video call. Kahit nagcha-chat kayo or kahit habang nagcha-chat kayo, no, even though you're not seeing each other sa video call, no, even though you're just texting or you're just chatting or tawag lang sa telepono, yan, no, nakangiti kayo rito. So, both are expressing right here, no, equal vibes, no, na parehas ninyong gusto na kausap ang isa't isa. However, there's distance right here, no? Possible na ito ay physically far, kayong dalawa sa isa't isa. Possible rin na nasa malayong lugar o magkaibang layo kayo ng lugar. Pwedeng magkaiba pa ng bansa, state, or rehiyon. So, nakikita ka dito mga babes, rehiyon ang lalim. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na this person right here, no, may strong possible travel akong nakikita sa kanya dito. This person right here strongly wants to meet you in person. You know, that's very strong. That's very strong. So, nakikita ko dito that this is the problem. Bakit mo nabanggit yung too risky? Kasi nga in love ka na sa kanya, tapos hindi mo pa siya nakikita dito. Parang dapat ko bang i-pursue itong emotions and feelings ko for this person? Hindi ko pa nami-meet in person. Yeah, I know. We're talking, we're having conversations, we're having fun, and then we're enjoying. Ramdam ko naman, nag-enjoy rin siya, kausap ako. Pero habang nag-uusap kami, no, and we're talking every day, no, and almost all of the time, this person right here, hindi ako sure kung ma-reciprocate niya ba yung nararamdaman ko, yung affection. Yan, no? Kasi dito, parang ikaw to na sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na parang na anumang mangyari. Kahit makita ko siya sa person, kahit iba pa yung maging itsura niya, no? Sa person kumpara dun sa video call or kumpara sa picture, sa akin, okay lang, matatanggap ko yan, you know? I think you're already forming or developing feelings towards this person that hindi mo pa nakikita talaga. No? Kasi ganito yun eh. Ang ibig mo siguro sabihin dun, kasi ganito yun eh. Meron kasing tao na iba yung itsura niya sa picture, iba yung itsura niya sa video call, no? Kasi siguro, maybe uso na rin kasi ngayon yung mga filter, yung mga lightings, di ba? Yung mga ganyan, no? So, iba yung parang register nung face, no? Or yung glow, mga ganong klase, no? So, parang kayo to na okay lang, ano man yung maging itsura nitong person na to, no? Or parang maiba lang ng konti yung kanyang face pag nagkita kami sa personal, no? Parang okay lang sa'yo. Yun iniisip mo. But the thing right here is that, what if this person here, nakita niya na ako in person, and then, hindi, hindi, parang hindi niya ako ma-accept. Or natatakot ka dito na parang hindi ka niya ma-accept, no? Kasi nga, meron ka ng feelings and emotions sa kanya. May nade-develop ka ng feelings and emotions sa kanya. So, I think that is part here of that fear na meron ka, no? Kapag ka nagkita na kayo dito, no? And another fear that you are also, no, nasa iyong thoughts or in yung mind is that this is you are afraid na ito ay hanggang online dating lamang, you know? Online dating, chatting, no? Social media boyfriend, social media girlfriend. Pero, walang magiging kayo, no? In reality. May ganun ako nakikita rito. Parang, baka ito ay isang ano lang, social media boyfriend, social media girlfriend. Yung hindi mo siya talaga matatawag na seryosohan kasi hindi mo alam eh, dahil posibleng magkalayo kayo ng lugar, magkaiba kayo ng bansa, so hindi mo alam no, kung pang seryosohan na ba to. Pero yung feelings mo gets deeper and deeper and deeper as you talk to this person here every day or most of the time. So, that is now what you're saying too risky because you're already fallen in love with this person and others of you already fallen in love with this person right here. It's different, no? Falling and fallen. Yung iba sa inyo, no, nahuhulog na yung loob ninyo sa kanya. Others of you, tuluyan ng nahulog. Diba? So, nakita ko dito that you're afraid that this person right here, na dahil nahulog na kayo sa kanya, will this person here will be able to catch you? Already ba siya rito, no? Nasalain kayo, no? Diba? dahil nahuhulog na kayo sa kanya or nahulog na kayo sa kanya. But this person here is giving you na pinaparamdam niya sa inyo, no, that he or she is enjoying your company, your conversations, na this person here is replying to you, responding to you, no. I think this person right here likes you too because yun yung nasa isip mo and you're right. Yan, no? Kasi ganun yung pinaparamdam niyo sa'yo rito. And without filter, I'm seeing that this person here is actually interested with you. Maybe he or she is not telling this to you kasi baka gusto niya ritong mag-surprise sa'yo rito. Kasi may strong travel tayo, tatlo. Nakikita rito na strong travel na pupuntahan ka talaga niya. Ayan, no? So, kung iniisip mo na ito ay isang social media dating lang at hindi talaga kayo magkikita in person, no? Para lang masabi na, ay, may boyfriend ako, may girlfriend ako, no? Yan, hindi. This person right here, I'm seeing sa kanyang thoughts, he or she wants to meet you in person, wants to travel to see you and meet you in person, wants to hold your hand, shake your hands right here, no? And I think this person right here na ito na yung pinakahihintay mong kinatatakutan mo, no? What if, Miss Yan, this person here sees me and I look different sa photo, I look different sa video call, at I look different in person? Okay. Anong gagawin ko? Well, don't be afraid because this person here is thinking just like you. Actually, you're reflecting right here, no, na parang you read each other's mind, no? So, nakita ka rito that what you're thinking right here is also what this person here is thinking. And what you're afraid of is also what this person here is afraid of. And I think, no, na pag nakita kayo rito, no, you will be surprised because you really did not expect that this person here will seriously, andito ka ngayon at nag-travel ka just to see me. Yeah, no? Ganun yun. And I think, no, angels are saying right here that go with the flow, just let it happen, no? Stop being ating overthinker dito, no? Kasi natatakot ka because you're well invested na, no? Even though hindi pa kayo nagkikita, natatakot ka kasi na in love ka na sa kanya with the 7 of Coins energy right here, no? At gusto mong malaman kung may patutunguhan ba tong feelings mo na to, no? And yun nga, yung natatakot ka na in love ka sa isang person, no, na parang hindi mo alam kung may balak bang makipagkita sa'yo ng personal or may balak bang maging boyfriend, girlfriend mo in reality, like hindi lang sa online dating. At nakita ko rito na that this person here will definitely travel towards you and I think this person here will be showing it as a surprise. Yan, no? And with the 7 of Wands energy, 6 of Pentacles right here, spirits are saying, just go with the flow, okay? Just hold on to your emotions and feelings, no? Hindi mo kailangan i-release ang emotions and feelings mo because you're not sure. Your angels and guides right here, no, are really directing you papunta rito sa tao na to. And this tao right here, no, is being redirected rin sa iyong pathway. Yan, no? So, nakikita ko dito, no, na hindi naman ito problem, pero meron ditong lumalabas, no. Bakit ko binanggit yung redirected? Kasi, before you, meron siya ritong nakilala. Bago kanya nakilala, meron siyang nakilala. Yan, no. So, parang nagkaroon, no, ng, what's that, awakening moment, no, or parang may pinakita ang mga angels nitong person na to, no, sa kanya about that unang person na nakilala niya bago kayo, no? So, parang pinakita doon, no, yung red flags, no? Kasi that person could be a gaslighter, okay, a love bomber, no? Or might be, baka mang-ghost, yan, no? So, nakita ko na inilayo siya doon, no? At dito siya nire-direct sa pathway mo, no? Kasi this is such a nice guy. This is such a nice woman right here. At ang kanyang angels and guides right here, gusto siyang protektahan, no? From that person, no? And then, nakikinig ito sa kanyang mga angels and guides, no? So, hindi siya bulag-bulagan sa mga red flags. So, after niyang makita, no, yung mga red flags na yon, no, right away, kinat niya agad yung connection niya with that person. So, see? This is not a player and this is not someone here who's gonna waste his or her time for nothing, you know, and for nonsense things, no? So, yun yung ibig ko sabihin dun sa being redirected to your pathway. So both of you are meant to see each other in person. And with the world card right here, there will be a new chapter in love, a passionate, no? A passionate love right here. So, nakita ko rito, no, na magiging mabilis yung pangyayari rito, no? At nakita ko rito, no, yeah, at first, siguro mga, lalo na kung parang medyo may lahi yung kadil ninyo, no? Siguro parang nakikita ko rito na at first, siguro mga 2 days, 3 days, medyo awkward pa na nahihiya pa siyang hawakan yung kamay ninyo. Pero nakikita ko dito, no, that this person right here, no, is magiging mabilis, magiging passionate yung lahat dito, no? So, nakikita ko na parang in a span of 1 to 2 weeks, no, this person here can be able to hold your hand, no? But will definitely ask you permission if he or she can do that already, yan, no? This is someone here na may respeto sa'yo. And as what I've told you guys, no, this is someone here na nice guy or nice woman. So, you can trust this person right here, no? At kahit na, no, maging mabilis pa, no, yung paghawak niya ng kamay ninyo, hindi ko nakikita rito na mabilis na meron na hindi to mangyayari sa inyo, no? Walang ganon. Because this person here, no, is someone na may respeto sa'yo. Okay? So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweetheart. It's good to see, no, na even though this is something here na parang at first too risky, pero tingnan mo naman yan, no? You will end up rin pala, no, na magiging seryosohan itong talaga. So yeah, these are all the messages muli ako sa yan. Sarang iyo, love and light.